Police arrest. War erupts between ED Mnangagwa's daughter and Muchinguri. Azvipiri mushe murezi usapinda mashoko atoona kuti aiwa batore ZANU-PF koita kurwa aiwa ndokuti bo subscribe bo like kuti on the bell icon tipinda mnamunhu kwamchinzi. A dramatic conflict has erupted between Tanya, daughter of Defense Minister Muchinguri, and Tariro, daughter of Emerson Mnangagwa, over a contentious disagreement in their shared fuel business. The clash has resulted in Tanya's arrest, with police accusing her of fraud. ZIM-I sources state. Tariro, who operates a fuel joint, is at the center of this high-stakes drama. In the incident hints at a larger pattern of conflicts involving Mnangagwa's children and their interactions with both relatives and the general public. The unfolding saga continues to captivate the nation's attention, highlighting the intense rivalries within Zimbabwe's political elite. More on ZIM-I. Thomas Kwanashi exposed on ZIM-I chita aiwa pane clash inoitika pakati pomwana wa Muchinguri nemwana wa ED Mnangagwa. Asi pane ma allegations e corruption achinzi aiwa pane kuinvolve ku corruption kuriitika pakati pavo zvokuti draw attention yevagari munyika yeZimbabwe. Asi zviri kunzi mwana wa Muchinguri ndiye abva arrestiwa. Now izvizere tinova tichikupai panapa paZim News Live. Samburisi vachiudza mafungiro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinai kume section yemusano subscribe kulike, turn on the bell icon.